now, as you can see my banana cake. It is ready now. It's cooked. It's come out clean. Nothing is there. So now let's just leave it in the pan and we'll remove in 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes?
Yeah, just leave it there. Good afternoon
and happy
Sunday to everyone.
and happy birthday, Ate.
Ate?
It's birthday in 9.
Yes.
So I think you all buy a present for Ate. Please put a present and send a video because Ate's birthday is in 9.
It was 9? No, yesterday. Okay, anyway, today we're gonna make a banana cupcake. So actually before I have made the steamed banana cupcake, but this time I'm gonna make a banana cake. So for these ingredients, this is the same as for the banana cupcake, but only the cooking style will be different.
And guys, we just bought this that day. We just bought this that day.
We bought this from IKEA actually. Okay, anyway,
Pretty cool,
yes.
right?
So for this recipe, this is very good to have along with coffee or tea. So normally we'll have it for a snacks or just after food like a dessert. Yeah, so for these ingredients, of course, we need
a banana
2 banana,
and we need some salt
a dash of salt
and a measuring cup.
to measure the ingredients,
And we have a milk.
milk,
This is not the same one. This is a different one.
and we need a baking powder and a baking soda, and this is
flour.
heavy. And we need all-purpose flour,
Flour.
and
Egg.
we need egg,
And some brown sugar.
brown sugar, and
some cheese.
no, it's a butter. It's a
yeah,
butter,
butter.
and
And
vanilla extract, vanilla essence. Vanilla extract will be also same. So now, without further ado, let's get started.
Let's get started.
So now first we have to smash our banana. Can you get a fork?
Yes, please. And
Bella will smash this. No, one is enough.
I'm gonna smash it. Should I just smash like this or like
Yeah,
this?
you can
Got
smash.
it?
Yeah, you can. No, you can just do like this. Smash.
Okay. I know the little detail. No need to tell me the detail.
So now, Bella has finished smashing the banana. So we have to transfer it in a
Bowl.
yes.
Where should I put this here?
No, wait. Just put it there. Give it to Mama. And then now we have to put on other ingredients. So now we have to put all-purpose flour, which is 2 cups.
Looks like making ice cream,
2
guys.
cups of all-purpose flour. And now we'll put our soda, baking soda for 1 teaspoon. Baking powder 1 teaspoon as well. And a dash of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. That's fine. And milk, 1 cup of milk. Just mix it properly first.
I'm gonna mix.
Mix it.
I'm gonna mix.
Okay, mix it. And then I'll put milk. Go mix it. I'll do it.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You're not careful.
Should I cut? Should I pause?
No. Then Bella will give a good mix. Good mix. Slowly.
Mama.
Yeah, it's okay.
Because Mama, that's too much.
Okay. Then Bella will give a good mix.
It's not just no water or anything.
And then now we can put our butter as well. Butter of 2 tablespoons.
1,
That's enough.
2.
And an egg. If you are vegetarian, so just leave the egg. But we are not vegetarian, so I'm putting egg. And then a sugar, which is 3/4 cup of sugar. I don't want so much sweets on my cupcake, so I'm just putting less. So this is perfect sugar for us. So just have to put it.
Should I give a good mix now?
Yeah, you can mix it now. Give a good mix. And Bella will give a good mix. So now this is ready. And I have here the molder. And I already greased with butter. So this is perfectly done. So now Bella will transfer the mixture
Mama, like this.
in a bowl, in the molder. Now scrape it out, scrape it. Slowly. Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, I'm just scared if I dropped again. That's why.
So now, this is ready. It's ready to go. So now I have this. I'm using this. So here I have salt in the bottom. I've covered with salt.
Covered salt.
And I have this stand.
We just buy it.
Yes. And on the top of this, I'm gonna put this as well. And then just preheat before we'll put our banana cake mixture inside. So just cover it and let it make it hot first for about 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. So now this is ready. It's around 5 minutes. So now we have to put this inside. Actually, I'm scared I might get hurt myself. So I'm using this one. Okay, and then let's just cook this around 30 to 40 minutes and we have to check in between.
Guys, look at us, so beautiful.
It's cooking. Let's check our banana cake. And this is looking very beautiful. So just have to remove this. It's hot. I'm gonna... So now, we just have to remove our cupcake. Banana cake. Yeah, let's use this one. Ta-da!
Delicious.
So now, let's cut it.
Cut it, cut it, cut it,
This is the part Bella likes. Cutting part.
cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
as you can see, this is my, but it's just so hot actually. It's a banana cake. So this is my banana cake. So they just have a taste. Not so sweet because I just put less salt, less sugar. So here you go, my banana cake. So as you can see, it's very nice. It's well cooked and delicious as well. So I like it. So that's all for today, guys. And I hope you like my banana cake cooking today. And I'll see you to my next one. Bye.